Hey, this is Patrick Durkin with a quick word for you about the Metasomer Skin Cream. For those of you who've been following these products for a while, there are two product names. There's NANO SOMA, which is a spray that we take to get policosanol into our bodies, which is an ingredient that's really important for health. And ever since I've been on it for the last year, I've been really doing well. And then the policosanol is made into a greater concentration and put into the Metasomer gel, and then that's made into a greater concentration and into the cream. And I wanted to take a moment today to show how to use this container. Sometimes people are unsure about it and they feel like the lid doesn't dispense well. And I haven't worked with a lot of creams like this in my life, so I don't really know about that. But what I do when I want to use it is I lightly press down with these fingers and I put this finger over the hole, and a little bit comes out, and I take it and I wipe it. And you know, as somebody who's kind of novice to taking care of his skin, the best thing that I can tell you about this is that I love sharing it with people because they love the way it feels. And a lot of people have been not only buying it, but repeat buying it from us. So I think it's a beautiful product. I like the way my skin looks and feels, and the container is really easy to use once you understand how it works. Hope that helps.